Okay, what we got here? Hey, how's everybody doing? I think that's the wrong headlines right there. Anyway, how's everybody doing? This is your boy Juice Wanna. This is Go Your Gritty Grand Strange. Yes, we are in the buildings. Don't forget to hit that like bell. These are where you can find us. YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Discord, all of that. I mean, like we every place. Don't forget to hit the like though. That's what we need you to do here. Come on, yeah, show that love. Show that love. Let it pour. Let it pour. Now, let's get into this news. Right? Let me see. I think I got the wrong headlines up here. Um, right? Nah, yeah, unless I didn't put it in there. Okay, yeah, I went one too far. Right? Female high school woodworking teacher relationship with student. This is the young lady, right? Oh, not a lady. This monster, this pedophile, right? We ain't gonna give her no. Let's make sure. Hold on a minute here. Right, take me away just so you can get a good look at her. Right now, I ain't going front. Originally, hey, she got on pink. Originally, I was thinking, she a wood teacher. It came back. It came back as I said it. I'm just thinking, listen, man. Female high school woodworking teacher charged with 6 felonies from relationship with male student. Right? Hopefully it's just one student, but I don't know how she caught 6 felonies. I don't know what the charges are. Lena Stewart, a 27-year-old agricultural science and woodworking teacher, and Nixie woodworking teacher. You know what I'm saying?
It's gonna be okay, mommy. It's going to be okay.
Right. At Nika High School in Nika, Missouri, has been charged with carving out an intimate relationship with a 16-year-old male student. Let me say something, right? This is what's going on. You train the people into this. I tell people all the time, if you pay attention to the TV shows, the movies, they've been grooming them to be in this position. The young lady, I gotta, she's, you know, up there lost. And now look, she put that on somebody else now. You know what I mean? Sure, we make these jokes and whatnot. Like I said, me only thing I'm laughing about is the woodworking thing. And see, I didn't even laugh that time, even though I want to, right? But what I'm saying is we are grooming a people into this system, right? Whether it was the male version or the feminine version, I don't even care. This is what is being groomed and designed within our society, right? Nixon, Missouri has been charged. Stewart was charged with 6 felonies: sexual contact with a male student, 3 counts; statutory sodomy, 2 counts; statutory rape, 1 count. Now and also one charge, one charge of misdemeanor sexual misconduct. Stewart was arrested January 22nd and released January 23rd on $25,000 bond. Now, I don't like to speculate, right? There's some things that's going through my mind when I read that. I'm like, wow, hold on a minute here. So you saying sodomy. So did you let him do you that? Because there's two counts of that out of the three counts. That's all I'm pointing out, and I'm hoping that's how that went down. He's wicked either way, but I'm just saying. I don't even want to know what a high school is, right? According to the court filing, Stewart and the student used a secret Instagram account to communicate. Investigations began December 7th as Stewart was put on leave and was sparked by a student parent concern that he was pending to spending too much time with student. Okay. Says the student was interviewed at the Child Advisory Center in Springfield and disclosed that in October he met Stewart several times at a friend's house beyond the city limits. This the first time they kissed and he undressed, and the second time they had sex. It was he undressed the first time. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. When she was the wood shop teacher, what, what kind of devices was you making, miss? Right? The student said he felt pressure to continue the relationship and was worried that if he didn't, it could affect his grade. He made an A this year. In Stewart's class. We learned today that charges have been filed against Lena Stewart, a teacher in Nexus High School. A person for the Nexus Police School District said, "We take any allegations of inappropriate conduct extremely serious. So when an allegation was made in December, the district followed policy and procedures and then placed Lena Stewart on administrative leave and will continue to follow board policies and procedures when addressing this situation." Like I said, you see me laughing. It's just only, the idiot in me. But that's what I feel. Hey, Lena. Yeah, you going down. You going down. You know what I'm saying? And addressing this situation. Right? And this is Nixa Public School FFA. Right? The district also will be working with the appropriate authorities as they conduct their investigation and will cooperate fully with anything they need. Stewart was also at Stewart was also a school leader for Future Farmers in America. Okay, that's what that is, FFA, right? A youth organization that was brought back to Nix's school in 2021. If convicted, the most serious charge could face up to 7 years in jail. Reminds me of what was his name? Um what was my man's name? um the movie. I don't know. I'm never gonna get the name of the movie, but Adam Sandler. Yeah, I remember him. He had a movie, something like that. Nonetheless, don't forget, people. You know what I'm saying? If you like this content, don't forget to check us out at these locations right here. Also, don't forget to hit that like, that subscribe, and that notification bell so you can be constantly updated when new information is being brought. Okay, right, brought to the scene. And the likes, that's what it just, the love, man, it throws me off. We out until next time, people.